Here we go again. Another surprise toy unboxing. Vintage 80s, 90s. This one comes from Slidell, Louisiana. See what we got. That's a surprise. What we have here, the vintage Thundercracker, Series 1, Generation 1 Transformers. Thundercracker was a seeker, one of the seekers, along with Starscream and the purple one. Can't think of his name right now. He was missing a wing. It was made in 1984 by Hasbro. Of course, this transforms into a robot. This was a major character in the cartoon series back when we were kids on Saturday morning. I got him real cheap because it's incomplete. But I have another package. Wonder what it can be. From Casper, Wyoming. The other wing! So you see what I did here. These generally run about $50 to $60 complete online. But I found one that was missing a wing, such as this, for $13, and then got the wing somebody else was selling for $7. So I got the whole thing for 20 bucks, and then voila, complete. So the decals are one of the backwards. Nonetheless, it is complete. So let's try to transform it. So there you have it. Thundercracker transformed with this one upside down sticker. That's unfortunate. It would probably destroy it if I tried to peel it off. Generation 1 Transformers Decepticon Thundercracker. He was also just a Starscream Transformer that's been repainted. They use the same mold and everything. Thank you for joining me today. Join me again next time for another lower middle class surprise vintage toy unboxing extravaganza.